Hey guys, Kurt here from Allied Composites. Welcome back. Got a really exciting product here today, the WBT-2 Portable Electric Scissors. It's a product that we've recently brought in. The industry has loved it. A very common problem that we found in most manufacturing facilities is their shears or scissors constantly being blunt or just not up to the standard that is required for our industry. So this product has changed the game. We're going to do an unboxing now. We'll run you through what's in the box and then give you a real-world application. Right guys, so yeah, very excited about this product. The WBT-2 Electric Scissors comes with the instructions, the actual scissors itself. Attached is the permanent fixture that plugs into your AC power. That's if you want to run continuously without having to charge it. Comes with two heads, both with tungsten steel blades, so will outperform your standard stainless steel heads. Your battery charging port, your battery charging base, tools, spares, your AC powered plug, be this one over here, and then your charger would be this one here. And here you have the complete electric scissors, your WBT-2. It comes with a tungsten blade, so it stays sharper for a lot longer than your general standard stainless steel blades. Also has a spare in the box as mentioned, and your battery is a 5000 milliamp hour battery that is rechargeable, and yeah, 6000 RPM. This is a fantastic tool and a must-have in all your production and manufacturing facilities. So yeah, I'd like to show you guys some real-world applications now. As you can see, I have some vacuum bagging film in front of me here. This is in general quite easy to cut, but with the shears, it glides through it like butter. Something a bit more difficult would be your quads and your biaxes in carbon or aramid fabrics. This is just an offcut as a sample, but you can have a look here, different shapes. So you can shape it and you can go straight. Another real life application would be your flow media. This one has some release film on it. Again, like butter. And as easy as that. A common material in most production facilities would be your e-glass. This is just a woven glass, and you can double it up to really give it a test, and just as easy as that. So if you can see this tool benefiting your production facility or manufacturing facility, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact details are below. One of our representatives from our team would be happy to assist you.